Are you staring at a Semrush report feeling completely lost? Learn to read any report in under 3 minutes. First, we'll understand the My Reports suite. Then, I'll show you exactly how to navigate and interpret each section. Start by heading over to the What is My Reports suite and how does it work section to get an overview. Then, click on My Reports to open the reporting dashboard. Click on My Reports again to ensure you're in the right place. Next, click on Turn Marketing Data into Reports that Speak for You to see how to transform your data. After that, click on From Setup to Sharing, Reporting Made Easy to learn the full workflow. Now, click on Connect 35+ top marketing tools in one report to see how to integrate your tools. Then, click on Let AI Summarize What Matters to explore how AI can highlight insights. Next, click on Create Branded Reports that reflect your style to customize the look and feel. Finally, click on Automate Reporting to run on your schedule to set up recurring reports. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.